Friends, do you remember the food of your childhood? I really loved the cheesecakes that we were fed in kindergartens. I managed to find several recipes for such cakes and I am happy to share with you. In this video you will see step-by-step preparation of one of these cheesecakes, cakes from my childhood. To prepare a cheesecake you need to take 4 eggs. Separate the yolks from the whites. Beat the yolks well with 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar, up to 1 cup, depending on your taste preferences. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the beaten yolks and stir well. Grind 700 to 800 grams of cottage cheese. Add 2 tablespoons of semolina, 3 tablespoons of flour mixture for pancakes, 100 grams of raisins and 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Mix everything. Add egg mixture. Mix again. Add 1 package of vanilla sugar to the whites and beat everything well. Slowly combine the whipped whites with the cheese mixture. Preheat oven and baking dish to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the mold with oil and put the cheese mixture in. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes. To check whether the cake is ready or not, use a toothpick. The toothpick is usually dry if you poke it into the baked dough. By the way, I made this cheesecake from homemade cottage cheese. I have a recipe for making homemade cottage cheese on this channel. To cool the cheesecake, use a simple method. Soak a towel in cold water and place the cake pan on it. Then the cake will separate from the mold very easily. Here, the cheesecake is ready. I like to eat it with coffee. You can use some whipped cream, jam, or maple syrup with the cake. Bon appétit! If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in new videos.